Hi, this is Karen from Food Jazz, presenting food with a little jazz. And today I'm making bird's nest cookies, an easy, no-bake, fun treat to make with the kids that's perfect for Easter. So let's get started. You will need some miniature Easter egg candies. And you will need some chocolate chips, and I'm using milk chocolate. You will also need some chow mein noodles. You will need some creamy peanut butter. You want to pour the chocolate chips and the peanut butter into a large microwavable bowl. And you want to microwave this for 30 seconds and then stir the mixture together and put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. And stir it together till everything is smooth with no lumps. And now you're ready to add the chow mein noodles. And I usually do this in a couple of batches, but you want to make sure you coat the noodles completely with the chocolate mixture. Scoop out the mixture and place on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. You want to use a knife to make little nest shapes and hollow out the middle a little bit so that you can place the eggs inside. Place the candy eggs into the little nests and press them down a little so that they will adhere to the chocolate. You want the nest to set overnight for the chocolate to completely set up. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. And please give it a like and please subscribe if you have not already done so. Thank you so much for watching and Happy Easter!